today's video. Before we start, we are urging you to please like this video and give us a thumb up if you like it, and share. We want as many people as possible to get to listen to this video, to get to watch the video. So our message today is on the summit that the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria held recently. That is the 8th National Summit of the Federation. And it ended very well in Lagos. The theme of that summit is fostering cooperative business for future generations. And the summit has convincingly shown that Nigeria's economy can be grown and regenerated through cooperative endeavors. It is no longer a time to be talking and talking. It is actually a time to walk the talks that we have had in the past. This particular summit was well attended by stakeholders involving people from government, people from private sector, and including individuals. They were all drawn from across the country. Many speakers spoke at the sessions on various topics, all of which gravitated around a new cooperative practice status that will be based on, first, encouraging younger people to join cooperative endeavors, leveraging technology, technical and soft skills, as well as regenerating a cooperative culture of resilience. These are not what we have been doing in the past. So we have this new focus and a new direction of where to go, which will involve younger people. A major side event was the youth cooperative training that the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria organized for young people. And this training is actually a signposter that young people are now expected to take over the practice of cooperative. And this is also the direction that we should all be going. At the end of this workshop, I spoke with the president of the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria, High Chief Oriyomi Ayola, on what the outcome of this 8th National Summit is going to be. And what he told me is quite encouraging. He said that the CFM will commence immediately mobilizing youth for more active participation, and that this is going to start now. He confirmed that the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria will liaise with the government and then the directors of cooperatives to robustly push a program for active youth participation in the days ahead. This is also quite encouraging because the Federation needs to work in tandem with the government that regulates the practice of cooperative. So the government departments, as regulators, we expect them to be on top of all this to ensure that their support is fully enlisted. Many stakeholders who attended this summit were very pleased, for instance, to witness that the Lagos State Cooperative Federation is showing a good example of what it does and encourages people to do. And what were the things that have been observed? Everyone present saw the gigantic edifice of cooperative headquarters of that Lagos State Cooperative Federation of Nigeria. And the buildings actually were so massive that they contained the conference hall And that was actually where the summit held. They didn't need to go outside to pay for halls. They have a gigantic hall that took everybody. The edifice also had meeting rooms. So more than 10 to 20 meetings can be holding at the same time in that gigantic building. Then they also had accommodation to accommodate a lot of people. So people who attend meetings, who attend conferences, some of them stayed in the rooms of Lasco Fair. And then they also had restaurants. I think this is exactly what we mean when we say leading by example. So we had expected so many cooperative societies that came all over the country to view the performance of Lasco as possible and then replicate it when they get back to their places. Thank you and God bless.